In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a Hyundai Accent. This is for models 2018 and 2019. So the first thing you'll want is a small screwdriver. You can get like a cheap precision set on Amazon for a couple bucks. I'll link to that. So take a small flathead screwdriver, open up the flip valet key, and the side of the key, side where the buttons are here, there's two indentations right here and right over here. And I don't know if you can see those right there. If you get your flathead screwdriver in there, you're able to pop off the back. Excuse me, it's on the back side. So not the button side, but the back side. There's an indentation right there and right there. And if you get a small flathead screwdriver in there, you can get some leverage, and you can see you can pop this, start to pop this back off. So if we go to the back one, and that'll be able to allow you to pop off the back of the key, get access to the battery here. So we'll need a small Phillips screwdriver now to get these small screws out here. So just unscrew this, and this is just a backing for where the battery is, so you don't have to be too careful with it. And we'll just unscrew this guy. And the screws will stay in the back here, and then you can remove that. Just set that aside for now. And then you get access to the CR2032 battery that we need to change. And the easiest way to get this out is there's two longer prongs here and here. And if you just pull the battery towards those longer prongs, it'll release it from the shorter one, and then you'll be able to just pop it out like that. So grab a new CR2032, just make sure the positive side is facing towards you, and then go underneath the long prongs, and that'll pop right back in there. Go ahead and replace the cover, screw that back in. And again, we need a CR2032 battery for this Hyundai Accent, years 2018 and 2019. And then just pop the back right back on, and that's it. You've changed the battery CR2032 in your Accent.